Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Friendly Void by GDC. So this concludes our Fog of War theme week. This is the final puzzle of the week. Hope you enjoyed the week. Let's go over the rules. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules, meaning in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have fog in the grid. That's these cells that are basically everything except this cell is covered by fog. And so we can't see what's behind the fog. So there could be additional clues or anything else sitting behind that fog, and we just can't see it yet. How do we reveal it? We reveal it by getting correct digits. So if I got this digit correct, then that cell and all the cells around it would get revealed and would have their fog revealed. Now we aren't guessing. We are going to do logical steps as we go. Guessing, you're just cheating yourself. All right. So additionally, we do have circles in the grid. A digit is circled if and only if it matches either its row number or its column number or both. So if this were, say, this is in column 4. So if it was a 4, then it would have to be circled. If this was a 3, it would also have to be circled because it's in row 3. If it's any other digit, 1, 2, 5, 6, it must not be circled. Now, we don't know if a cell is circled or not until the fog reveals, so keep that in mind. So we do know that this one's circled, and that's it. So those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. So this being circled means it matches its row number, which is 2, or its column number, which is 2. So it must be a 2. All right, so we revealed nothing, but actually we've revealed that these are not circled. So let's think about that. Let's think about 1 first, because that means that these aren't 1 and these aren't 1, because they would match the row or the column. So if these aren't 1s, then we have to place a 1 here. All right, and that reveals a circle here. So this must match the row, which it can't, which is because 2 is used. So it has to match the column, which is 4. I'm going to fill out the rest of this. This is 3, 5, 6. Now we don't know if this is circled or not, but we know these are not circled. So this can't be a 1 or a 2, okay? And this can't be a 5 for the column, okay? And we don't know if this is circled or not, so we can't like eliminate the 6 or make it a 6. We don't know. That's all we have so far. Oh, okay. So we've revealed all of these. None of these are circled, but every row, in fact, we can do that for this row as well. Every row needs a circled, at least one circle, because if it doesn't, because it's got to circle the row number. Every row has its own row number in it, and that will be circled. There could be other circles, as you can see here, which would match the column, but every row needs a circle. So this is going to be a circle, and this is going to be the circle, and they have to be the digit for the row. So this is the 1, and this is the 3. So that's not a 3. And now this is not circled, so it's not a 6 either. So it's a 5. Okay. So this row has a circled 4. These aren't circled, so these aren't 4, and this forces these down. So this box needs a 4, which goes here. Let's think about this. We need 2, 4, and 6. This can't be 4. There's a 4 in the box. And in column 6, the 6 is circled, and this doesn't have a circle, so that's a 2. In column 6, the 6 is circled, so that's 6, that's 4. This is the only circle for this column, so that's a 5. Nice, going very smoothly. This is a 2-3 pair. Okay, what do we do next? I guess I could fill this out. This is 1, 5, 6. Yeah, the 1 is placed. 5, 6. This is 2, 3. This is 2, 3, 6. Okay. This row needs a circled 5, which is going to be over here somewhere. I guess we could just say there's a 5 and 6 over here. The 5 is circled. There's a 1 and a 2 up here. This can't be a 1 because it's not circled, so the 1 is placed. And that reveals a circle here. This is the circle, the only circle for the row, so it's a 4, because it's row 4. That reveals these as not circled, so they cannot be the circled 5. So this is the circled 5. Going very smoothly here. There's a 5 in one of these two. I don't know if that's helpful. This is circled, though. So it's got to be the circled 3 for the column. That's 2 and 3. That's 6, 2, and 3. We got a 3 here. This is 4, 5, 6. Clean it up a little bit. All right, any rows or columns, yeah, this column needs a circled 1, so that goes there. Turn up it's circled, that's a 4. This is 2 and 6, which we know the order of. That places this 2. This is not 4 or 6 anymore, so that's a 5. Placing this 5, 6 and 4. We get a 6 and 5. We need 3 and 6, and suddenly we're done. Very nice. Cool puzzle, GDC. That flowed really nicely. I think the thing to realize was that every row and every column needed a circle around the digit that matched that row or column. So the circled 1, the circled 2, the circled 3, the circled 4, circled 5, and circled 6. And then for the columns, we need a circled 1, a circled 2, a circled 3, circled 4, circled 5, and circled 6. Sometimes they're shared, sometimes they're not. Very neat. If they were all shared, they'd all go down this diagonal, which definitely did not happen. So only 2 of them along this diagonal are the shared ones. Very cool. Really nice way to cap off our Fog of War theme week. Really enjoyed that puzzle. Really enjoyed all the puzzles this week. So if you did as well, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.